Welcome back to Lit Mode. Our motto is always to leverage your time. Now, there is a good news for all those who were asking us on Messenger, WhatsApp, chatbots, and through every possible medium through which they can communicate us. And the question was single. So, when the RBI Grade B 2020 vacancy will arrive? Because already 10 months has passed. So the answer will be in this video, and I will analyze how RBI Grade B declares final result and the vacancy comes within few days. And after that, the pre-mains and the final interview process is very fast. In whole banking industry, RBI Grade B is the fastest selection, and means from notification to selection the minimum time is always in RBI Grade B. After that, it's the SBI PO, and RBI Grade B can complete the whole process within 3 to 4 months. So what's the new news? The new news is RBI Grade B 2019 final result has been declared, and DEPR and DSIM, which is for economics and statistics postgraduates, are also declared. So congratulations to all those who have been selected as future managers in RBI, the institution which decides the policy of our country. The monetary policy is decided by RBI. Now, many of our subscribers have cleared the exam. The interview will also there on our channel, so do subscribe. But my message will be to not selected aspirants. See, it's not the end of world. I know you are broken into bits and pieces. You have put too much effort in descriptive writing, mugging up GA, the static part, dynamic part of ESI, finance, management. You have googled a lot of stuff. For interview, you have prepared a lot to get the 30-40 marks out of 50. I can feel what pain you are going through. I can definitely feel your pain. But the thing is, you have two options now. First is quitting, and second is to try again. Now, everybody, whosoever fails, they have two options. It's up to you which option you are going to opt. So if you have the option, then to try again, because just think of the people like Vasco da Gama. If he was there in 16th century to sail the whole world, he had multiple ways to do that. He was failing in the whole ocean, still he tried, and he completed the whole cycle of the world. Magellan and Vasco da Gama also explored many things. So there is a habit in European countries in 16th 17th century to explore. So don't limit yourself, don't quit. Even I want to share a personal experience of mine. There are many times in my life when I thought of quitting, but I thought of my parents, my colleagues, the people who care about me. And now I am here in a position because of me. Few families are getting their money, and they are running their life. Few families, it's not too much, but yeah, that's a substantial figure. And if I would have quit at that time, maybe those families couldn't have got the lifestyle what they are opting today. So that's the impact. So you have not to quit. Just think about your parents, just think about your colleagues, talk to few people who care about you. If you have no friends, mail us, call us, WhatsApp us. We are present across social media platforms, starting from Facebook, Telegram to Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere. So I will personally talk to few people, and our team will definitely contact you, and whatever problems you are facing, they will try to suit those problems. So quitting is never the solution. There is no dearth of exam, there is no dearth of job, and you have to try. I'm not saying that you will get everything. I'm not going to do false promises, but yes, quitting is never a good option. So you have to keep trying, and just stay calm, take a break, take a couple of days break, 3 days break, and see, you have reached little interview, so you are very near. So you are near borderline. So if you will quit, then I think you got my point. So you have done the homework, and you need to do only 10-20% of more effort compared to the guy who is just beginning. So moving forward, this is the snapshot of the RBI Grade B result, which has been declared, and it has been declared for Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, and all those 19 RBI offices across India. So here you can see Patna, New Delhi, Pune also. So the bulk posting is done in New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and a little bit in there is no too much vacancies not there in Chennai also, and Pune also. So the major vacancy is Bangalore and New Delhi, and yeah, Mumbai. So the major posting will be there. Moving forward, RBI has said that in 15 days they will declare the mark sheet also. So those who have not been able to qualify the exam, they can introspect, they can see their marks and attempt again accordingly. Now, the answer to the question many people were asking, like when the exam will happen. So what happened in 2019? The vacancy came on 21st of September, okay, and the phase 1 exam happened on 9th of November. So the difference is around 40 days, okay, 30, 40, so around 50 days gap was there. After that, the gap between phase 1 and phase 2 was around 20 to 22 days, okay, so around 22 days gap. And after that, interview in 2 months, and final result was scheduled to be in Feb March, but due to the pandemic situation, the interview and the result postponed, and it's there in October 2020, okay. So the thing is, what we can hope for 2020. So the vacancy will be any time before Diwali, because the final selection of 2019 is completed. So this is done, this is totally done. Now, if vacancy will be there before Diwali, so November is already slotted for most of the IBPS exams like RRB PO, RRB clerk, RBI assistant, SBI junior associate, SBI PO is also coming. So November is not available. So in December, you will see RBI grade B phase 1 happening. Okay, so anywhere in first half or maybe second half also, you can see the phase 1 of RBI grade B happening in December. Phase 2 will happen in January, because 22 days gap will be there, and RBI needs too many people. So there is some internal input to us also, that this year you can see an increase in vacancy also. It may be around 200 or more than that also, but the vacancy is too much in RBI as an organization, because in 2013 2014 the human strength was 19,000 in RBI. Later on, after 2-3 years, it decreased to 16,000, and now it's 13,000. So the vacancy is decreasing, and the human resource is also very less there, and that's also showing up into the scams and frauds happening in the Indian banking industry after PMC crisis, Yes Bank crisis, and the fraud of 1.83 lakh crore. So RBI needs too much human resource, but there is a huge vacancy, but due to several bureaucratical and political reasons, RBI announces very less vacancy, and that's an irony that the firm which is handling all the monetary policy, which is controlling the currency supply, is not providing enough job. Grade B job means cream job. So I can't do anything in that. Just I said what I felt and whatever input I have from internal sources from RBI. Now, interview will happen anytime in Feb, March, and the final selection will be in March. Now, we are sitting in October, about to enter in November. So, you will have November, December, Jan, and Feb, around 4 months, 120 days. So, you have 120 days to target RBI grade B 2020. It's for beginner also, it's for experienced also, everywhere. And more or less, this will happen. So, don't worry, and this is going to happen. So, be curious, be alert, and prepare accordingly. Now, to justify my previous stuffs, I am here with some data also. So this snapshot is from RBI website itself. In 2019, as I earlier mentioned, that the pre-exam happened on 1st of November, and on 18th of November result was out. 18th of November result was out. On 25th November, you can see here on 2nd December, the phase 1 mark sheet was declared. On 18th December, result of phase 2 examination was declared. And here you can say the DEPR DSIM also was declared. So in 2 months, all phase 1 phase 2 happened, and in Jan Feb interview started. So you can see how fast RBI is. Again, 2018 data. So here also you can see the phase 1 where it is. Yes, the result of phase 1 was declared in September, and in October again the result of people who cleared phase 2 was here, and the result of phase 2 was declared in October. Okay, so September to October, again 2 months. So that's why I'm saying from the data of 2018 2019 that from December to January phase 1 phase 2 will be over, and you can get the final selection in March itself. Moving forward to, this was the snapshot for fresh interview call letters which were declared a few weeks back, and on 16th of October the all interview of DSIM and DEPR was also completed, and within 72 hours, within 72 hours RBI declared the final result. So RBI grade B is performing like Usain Bolt. Now, what we have for you? We have many things for you in our kitty. So as you can see over here, we have a full course of RBI running over here, and many people have joined that course also. You can go to our website, check the course section, and there you can also get some content for free through which you can decide whether you want to buy or not. So it's up to you. Just go to the description also, see few playlist of economics, finance, management, descriptive part also, and decide you want to join us or not. So what we are going to offer you, that's a holistic approach from phase 1, phase 2, interview, personalized mentoring, everything we are going to provide you for RBI. Same goes for SEBI and other exams. So in this video, we will talk about RBI grade B specifically. In phase 1, the major fight is in phase 1, because in phase 1 around 4 to 5 lakh people will appear this year due to several pandemic crises, job losses, and the instability in private jobs, and the deterioration in lifestyle of IT people and PSB people also. So in phase 1 there are 4 sections: GA, GK, Quant, Reasoning, English. So GA GK is of 80 marks, Reasoning is of 60 marks, so 140 marks out of 200. For GA GK we have our course already running. Last year also our impact perform PDF was very well anticipated by the aspirants, and around 65 questions were directly asked from our PDFs which were supplied to our subscribers only. And this year we have a surprise. We are there with videos plus MCQs, because last year many people were not able to revise properly. So this year we have videos, MCQs, as well as the last year PDF. So that's a good news for you. Moving forward, for reasoning, we have a playlist of 50 videos through which you can make sure that you get at least 30 to 40 marks out of 60. English will be okay. If you are reading just any business newspaper, you can score 20-25 marks in English if the level of paper is same as asked in 2019. Coming to quant, you can pick any CAT book and solve the level 1, level 2 questions, and that's enough to score 20-25 marks in maths. Why I'm saying to pick the quant book of CAT? The reason is, before 2017, the quant cutoff was in single digit. But in RBI, you can't be an officer in RBI if you are going to score 0 marks in math like SBI PO. Yes, you heard right. In SBI PO and SBI clerk, the cutoff, sectional cutoff is not there, and due to that, in SBI, people are becoming officer and associate, scoring 0 mark also. So whenever you visit next time to SBI, don't forget to ask their maths marks in the exam before calculating the interest. Jokes apart, let's move to phase 2. So in phase 2, so in phase 1, around 2000 people will qualify out of 4 lakh, 5 lakh people. But yes, you have to clear that at any cost, and GA, GK and reasoning is the critical part in that. Now, just attempting pre is not going to suffice. Why? Because you will get hardly 20 days for phase 2 preparation, and if you don't start your phase 2 preparation initially, then you will not be able to clear phase 2 also. So the key is you have to prepare phase 2 in parallel, and you have to do quality study. Now, there are 3 papers in RBI grade B phase 2: ESI, Economics and Social Issues; FM, Finance and Management; and third paper is descriptive, where there is no negative marking. Essay, Précis and Comprehension is asked of 100 marks, 40 plus 30 plus 30, and the weightage of essay is 40 marks. In Finance Management, the weightage is equal, 50-50 marks of Finance and Management. In Finance, 25% to 40% questions are static, and 50% questions are dynamic in nature. When I say dynamic, that means current affairs. In ESI, the thing is around 70 to 80% is dynamic in nature, and because we are mastered in current affairs, that's why we are going to provide you quality content which is dynamic in nature. And we are not, see, many of our subscribers complain that the reputed players who are already there in the market, they are selling the 2015 2016 courses in 2020, and that too of 15-20k. So we are not doing that. Our content is freshly created in 2020, and the heavier part is of dynamic, and static we have covered in concise way, because our motto is leverage your time. So when we are teaching you the census 2011, when we are teaching you poverty alleviation, or any topic like ESI, or from management also, let's say corporate governance, or from finance like financial market, so our target is always to give you maximum knowledge which is relevant for the exam in minimum time. So coming to ESI. In ESI, we will provide you static content through videos, PDFs, current affairs, and government schemes, union budget, economic survey, schemes, all those quizzes, and you have to not just cram everywhere. We have done the hard work for you, and just stick to us. That's enough to clear phase 2. Coming to finance and management. There is again a static part. Management is totally static. The Googling part we have done for you, and we will provide the content after Googling, because what happens is Googling helps a lot. But if you have time, you can do self-study. Our course is more focused towards those people who are working aspirants. Let me tell you a story again. Last year, a guy was there who was working at Infosys Bangalore, and he was getting hardly 3-4 hours due to a tight project delivery. So he called us and said, "Sir, my life is totally dash up. So what I have to do? I have a maximum 3 hours to study in a day." So he asked us that anyhow he want to clear phase 1. So we told him that, see, we will help you to clear, just trust us and subscribe us. He subscribed, and the good news is that he reached till interview. He didn't get the final selection. Today I talked to him. He didn't get the final selection, but yes, he reached till interview, and he got the phase 1 clearance due to our GA course, and he scored 68 marks in the GA section, and his final score was 137. So that's the beauty of the exam. He was a UPSC guy, so he easily cleared phase 2 due to the descriptive and ESI part, and UPSC guys are good at descriptive and ESI because that's the overlap of UPSC and the RBI. So that's why I'm saying those people who are working in PSPs, who are working in IT companies, any private firm, who are getting hardly 4 or 5 hours in a day, do subscribe us. This course is for you. This is not for all those people who have 36 hours in a day, but yes, it's for you. So if you are listening, it's OMG moment for you. If you will ignore this, you are going to regret later on. Our course will be there in 2022 also, so you can opt for that time, but yeah, the time will pass. Now coming to descriptive, in NABARD grade A, more than 200 people subscribed us for descriptive English, and there we taught them how to write descriptive English, and due to the expertise in descriptive, we are making sure that we will provide you at least 3 to 4 tests in descriptive, and your 2-3 tests will be properly checked. You will get guidance over call, mail, fodder content will be provided, because if you have less time from, let's say I ask you to write an essay on National Education Policy, or let's say Environment Protection Act 1986. So from where you will get the data? So we will feed you the data. How to write essay, how to structure précis, how to find the answers of comprehension, we will give you free lectures over that, and value added videos later on will be also provided. So don't worry for descriptive. And let me say here one more thing, descriptive is the most scoring part of this, because in FM and descriptive you can easily score 80 plus marks, but in ESI you will struggle to score even 70-75 marks. So mark my words, and in descriptive you have to give at least 20% time from beginning, means at least start to write essays. Okay, so if you will start writing essays, your typing speed is good, so you will do the work, and you will come with flying colors in the phase 2. So we are doing the frugal innovation for you. You have to just believe us, you have to just stick to our plan, and whether you are working aspirant or full-time aspirant, or you are going to appear in 2021 also, this course is for you. Moving forward, for phase 1 GA, you can see the content. So here you can see the committees, monetary policy review, budget, everything is covered. This is of last year. So out of this, nothing is asked in RBI. So our team is very expert in this thing, and they have done the research, and they will provide you everything for phase 1 GA as well in this course. Moving forward, this is a group of Quora, which is ours only. So you can go to Quora and search RBI Grade B 2020 Dream. So here 29.3k people are already there, and I am inspired by Steve Jobs, as he say, never settle for average. So you have to also not settle for average, and you have to scram hard and achieve what you deserve. So here is the guidance video again. So here you can get a guidance video, and here as it's written, you have to make your 2020 RBI Grade B attempt last one, and GA/GK subscription is here, and this is of 1200, and here full RBI Grade B course is there, which is of 10,000, but currently it's on 50% discount, and it's of 5100. But as soon as vacancy will be there, this 5100 will become 10k. So if you are waiting for the notification, so be ready to subscribe at 10k price. But if you are there and you want to prepare from now onwards, 5100 is the price. Why I'm telling this? Because that's the opportunity cost, that's the value of time. So you have to use that, and we respect your time and intelligence, and our course is highly focused on that only. Moving forward, you will be thinking what we are going to provide. So our daily planner is ready, and you will get ESI, finance, management, GK, face-to-face based current affairs, mock test, English descriptive, everything on a planned basis for next 4 months. The course is already running, so you will get many things which is backlog for you. So you will complete that, as well as you have to continue. So it's totally up to you, and it's self-paced. It's nothing like you have to complete this on this day. No, it's nothing like that. You can watch it in night, in day, in bus, in metro, anywhere. So that is the full course plan. Moving forward, you can see the reviews. So here you can see the reviews, how people have accepted us. So as Ayush Srivastava is saying, best in the market if see regarding content available in it, so go through it. Rajvardhan, again, you are seeing our strike rate, and Girija appeared for last year RBI, and she is also saying that few PDFs provided her a lot of marks and highly recommended. So again, we have got very good reviews on internet, and you can also go and check it out. So the question may be why you should opt for Lite. So the reasons are, our content is most relevant and exam focused, the quality and quantity. The thing is, quality is always superior than quantity. So we believe in the quality, and we are providing you more quality. Okay, so apart from that, you can check the reviews on internet. Link is in the description. And this year around, yes, there is data like this year. I assume 3 to 4 lakh people will easily do the payment for RBI Grade B course. So what happened last year that till 2018 the ratio was 1:18 after phase 1 selection. Like if there is 100 vacancies, around 1800 or 2000 students were called for phase 2. But what happened last year, the ratio decreased to 1:13. So from 1:18 to 20 to 1:12 13. So what happened, for 156 vacancy only 2k students were called. So this year also you can expect 1:13 ratio. So that's why you have to focus more on phase 1 also. And for final 150 vacancies, this much students were called, 156 vacancies, and out of those people got selected. We will also provide you personalized guidance over mail, call, whosoever needs it. And if you are at 0 level, nobody, we will make sure that you reach on the top. Apart from that, if you are already at the top, we will work on the minor nuances like descriptive, how to install data in essay, how to quote the quote in the essay, how to structure the essay in such a way that you don't do any pronunciation, grammatical and translational mistake. Apart from that, we will also make sure that your current is as strong as your static part. And you have to target your dream, and this dream is coming at very affordable cost. Nobody is going to give you well prepared, well structured course at that low price. And because we know the condition of aspirants, pandemic has totally devastated many people's aspirations and a lot of stuff. That's why we have decided to keep the course at very less price. Yes, we are not getting too much profit out of that, but yes, we care for you, and that's why the course is at very low. Now you'll be thinking why it's very low. So just think what all we are providing. For GA, we have PDF, video, MCQ. For reasoning, we have provided you again videos, practice questions. Apart from that, we have around 7 to 8 mocks for phase 1. So we will provide you 7 to 8 full mocks for phase 1, and that's of full quality. Nothing like another players, like it's RRB clerk mock, just copy the questions in RBI grade B mock and provide it to RBI students. So they are making you foolish. Coming to phase 2, we will provide you quality videos for ESI, again PDFs, MCQs. Same for FOM, videos, PDFs, MCQs. Descriptive, we are providing you 3 tests which other people are providing at 4,000 in the market. So descriptive 3 papers will be provided at not 4,000, it's inclusive, it's totally inclusive. And stop, the screen is over where I have to write. So okay, here I will write. So apart from that, we are also going to give you around 7 to 8 mock for phase 2 also. And again, the mocks will be not like clerical papers. The mocks will be proper, the proper segmentation of the static part and the current part. Okay, it's not like we will just feed static part. We will do the proper blending of the static and current, and we know what is asked in RBI. So we will make sure that you only get what is asked in RBI and nothing what is means plethora of content is there on internet. So that's a very huge issue among aspirants. Like, so this is too much content on means everywhere, on Telegram, YouTube, whatever social media you talk. So our content is very precise, and this much thing you are getting from GA to reasoning to mocks, ESI, FOM, descriptive, guidance. So all this at the price of means 2 weekend party, one or 2 party of your weekend is equal to our course. So that's a very affordable cost. If you are not going to opt it, you will, who knows, regret or not. If you don't believe, do WhatsApp us at a number and we will send you audio of our subscriber who has spent around 20,000 on a very reputed course, and he was regretting after subscribing our course because he has the wallet strength. So he spent 20,000 on a reputed player in RBI grade B who is selling 2015 content in 2020. And what happened after subscribing our course, he was very happy that your content is very relevant, and he is a UPSC interview holder. Okay, so we will send you the audio of that guy. You can listen also, and you can decide for yours. Moving forward, again you can see the few of the reviews like Gunu Chalana, Harsvardhan, Nitish P. Menon, and Ujjwala Mahatre. Like Ujjwala Mahatre said, light mode material is so much helpful. It's very first time I am feeling confident about GK section. I was able to do GK questions with 100% accuracy in RBI phase 1. So you can see how this I am talking about. Again, Nitish P. Menon, he is saying that nothing less, light in quantity and high in quality. Best platform to cover. Gunu Chalana, again you can go to our social media and see in TISNET also we performed due to our well structured course. So reviews are there on the internet, you can go and check out for that. Moving back to our lightmode.in course. So you can go here, go to the course section and check whatever you need, just add that to the cart and go to pursue your dream. Now we have this course already running, descriptive is also there, and if you have any doubts you can mail us at hi@litmod.in. RBI and SEBI combo course is already running, and you can subscribe for combo course also. You will get all those RBI stuff as well as SEBI grade A stuff. So less I can't, more I can. Leverage your time at LitMod. Moving forward, I want to thank you all for watching this video, and this is the snapshot of the courses what we are going to provide in that. So here you can see the general awareness, static plus current, ESI 2020, finance, static plus current management, and it's totally structured, again English description. So this much thing you are going to get in the course, okay, and plus mocks. So this much thing you are going to get into the course, so don't wait. It's a now or never deal, and that's the OMG moment in your preparation in history. And you can check other courses also, like for SBI, IBPS, Grameen Bank, and SBI Junior Associate, etc. So that's all from my side, and do opt for research content for achieving the best score. And course has already started, so you will get some backlog content as well. If you have any doubt, mail us at hi@litmod.in. check the description for further details, and do watch our previous videos to decide whether you like our content or not. We are not pressurizing you to buy or subscribe our content. Just watch the free content available, just check the reviews and decide by yours. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless you. And before signing off, I want to tell that we are present across social medias like Facebook group, Telegram, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. So just search for this stuff, LYT mode, and you will get our presence. So connect with us at maximum possible place, so that you get positivity whenever you are going through Instagram. After Disha Patani or Tiger Shroff pic, you can get a current affairs question. In Telegram also you can get the motivation. In Facebook group. So social media has two parts, one is motivation, one is luxury. So for 4 months just do the motivation, have focus, and just focus on RBI grade B exam and SEBI grade A exam. All the description are in description box, so go there, check our videos, check our reviews, check our everything. If you have any doubt, mail us, talk to us, and just give your best in this exam. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless you all again.